Hey guys, how's it going? It's Justine, and today we have got the brand new red iPhone 8 Plus. This also comes in the regular sized iPhone 8 version, and they also announced a new red leather folio case. So not only are so many of you guys huge fans of the color red, but the red color is not just a color. Over the past 11 years, Apple has donated over $160 million to the Product Red charity. Red is a charity that provides testing and counseling and treatments to tens of millions of people living around the world with AIDS and HIV. So yes, it is a red iPhone, but it is for a good cause. And today, we're going to unbox it, and I am so excited because when I saw these photos, I was freaking out. The news had already broke on the East Coast, and I was just waking up over here on the West Coast, and I was like, yes! They have a black front! The previous red iPhone that they released, it was a beautiful red back, but the front of it was white. So it seems like Apple has listened to our feedback, and guess what? It's here. So sit back, relax, and enjoy this wonderful unboxing. I know you guys have never seen me unbox an iPhone before, so. Let's unbox. And yes, I do realize that there is a pull tab right here, but what fun is that? So here we have, oh, here it is, no, oh my goodness. That was surprising. I wasn't ready. So it looks like we've got our phone, we've got a dongle, we've got our earbuds, we've got a power brick, and some wonderful literature. Instructions, just in case you don't know how to use it. Product Red pamphlet. In partnership with Red, Apple will contribute a portion of your iPhone purchase to the Global Fund to support HIV/AIDS programs and help deliver an AIDS-free generation. Learn more or donate at red.org. Oh, we've also got our lightning cable. So I've yet to look at the back of the phone. I'm gonna show it to you guys first. Wow! This is a very, very deep red. It looks so good. The best part about the iPhone 8 is the all glass back. If you guys recall, I did have the iPhone 8 in the rose gold, and it is probably to date my absolute favorite color of phone yet that Apple has ever released. With the all glass back and the aluminum band around it, by far this is my favorite design of iPhone to date. It is a really, 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 really nice look. Like, I'm actually quite shook. I was so excited about it, and I showed it to my sister, and she's like, so, is there an iPhone 10 version of this? Because I'm pretty sure she was about to run to the store and upgrade her 10. I'm sure a lot of you guys are probably questioning, why did Apple not release an iPhone 10 version of this red phone? I'm not actually sure, but either way, I feel like there is still a huge market for the iPhone 8 because this phone is basically an iPhone 10 without facial recognition. It really is a preference. Essentially, the iPhone 8 is almost the same exact phone as the iPhone 10, but with a Touch ID, it also doesn't do facial recognition. There are a few other features that it doesn't have over the iPhone 10, but I feel like at this point it is a preference, and I love that this is still a choice for people. And especially if you are in the market for a new phone and you want red, this is really beautiful. The all black front, completely flushed edge to edge, it's honestly really great looking. It's so hard because I'm looking at this with my eyes, and I'm hoping that I can portray how incredible this looks to you guys. Hold on, I'm smudging it up already. I need to give you guys a good look. I think now's a pretty good time for a slow-mo montage. It's dusty. Guys, this is behind the scenes of things you don't see. Oh no, oh, goodness. You look beautiful. Keep up the good work. watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I would love to hear your feedback on what you guys think of this phone. I definitely recommend, if you have an Apple store by you, go in and look at it in person because it is a really beautiful deep red. I mean, I feel like it's an art piece. Like, this is something that I want hanging on my wall. It might be a little bit difficult taking phone calls. Yeah, sorry, I can't hear you because I've decided that I was going to hang up my phone on the wall as art. Let me know if you have any more suggestions for some videos that you'd like to see here in the future, and don't forget to subscribe, and also make sure you hit that little bell so that you'll be notified when I post new videos. And with that, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!